Sitting there in this bed, thinking about the times we spent. Boy, I really love you, but you don't seem to care. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see by the title, today I will be doing the spicy noodle challenge. Well, I'm gonna improvise cause I couldn't get the actual noodles cause it was gonna come too late. So I'm gonna use top noodles and just put a lot of peppers in it. But today I won't be alone. I'm gonna have my little cousin Simia, who's been dying to be in my video. Here she is. Say hi.
Hi.
And my other big cousin, our mom, who at the moment doesn't want to be on camera, but I'm gonna get her in here, guys. Anyways, stay tuned. Also, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share with friends. And you know, just stay tuned to Shalii's life. So guys, I'm gonna actually start preparing the noodles right now. As you can see, I have the pot on the stove, Simia and the noodles right there.
And the hot sauce.
And the hot sauces that we're gonna be using. So, yeah.
We're using all three because
I don't know if you guys can see, but it's actually snowing outside right now. Wow.
it's beautiful snow.
Yeah. But
It's like
let's get straight to the video. So let me get some water in the pot. I think this is enough. We might need more. Okay, that's it. I think. And I'm gonna put it on the stove. Yeah, I just showed them. Gonna let that boil for a minute. Then we gonna put in the.
First, I'm gonna open up these.
Yeah, Simia, open them up.
Cause I know how to open these up because I always do this.
Yeah, okay.
And you're gonna open this. Talking about. But if you wanna get the stove.
Guys, come on. You gotta show them all this beauty. Why are you being afraid, Anisha? Another guest has finally come. And she's ready from the camera, but I'm gonna get her. Come on. Guys, I don't know why she's acting shy, but okay. I'm excited right now.
And I'm like, right now.
Okay, Simia, I see you. Go ahead then. As you can see, guys, it's almost ready. Cooking up and all. Ooh. I love you some these noodles. Don't be cursing in my YouTube. Don't mind her, guys. Guys, it's finished and I'm sharing it out.
All of it.
As you can see, Simia, I'm looking for what we do.
Because I can't even do the stool. That's what I'm supposed to sit on.
It's not for this one.
Ow!
Guys, I'll be back when I finish mine. Okay. Here you go. The noodles are ready. And we're about to put the pepper in. Woo! Cereal. Little pepper this.
No, no.
Oh yeah, it's a challenge. Okay, I laugh. I'm putting 3 different types of pepper.
Wow. Let me help. At least.
Stop cursing! Okay, I don't know how to beep it out. Oh, Lord. The white one.
So why do people boil sauce in my
Because it's supposed to be hot. Okay, so
This one or this one?
this one.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I don't even know.
Stop. Come on. What is that? Y'all, she's cheating already. She's cheating already. Ooh, Lord, I can feel it from my tongue already. Ooh.
Now make some money.
Okay, guys.
So we are seated and ready. We have our milk.
Yeah.
This is Danisha. Finally, she's showing herself. Say hi to my YouTube. Hello. She's so dry. And Simia, as you know. So guys, I put a lot of pepper in.
Yep.
Whoever drinks their milk first, they're gonna be out. So.
And you're already out.
Let's go. Woo. Woo, Lord.
I don't know why she's
Mom,
doing
don't
that.
let me cry.
Because she know. Like, for real, for real.
Oh Lord, I'm afraid. Simia, come over a little bit before so I can see you.
Okay,
Come
so
on.
guys, so I'm gonna finish this because it's over. She know I'm gonna win. So.
Yeah, but
I'm gonna win.
what's up for our Lord? She hates pepper, guys. I know I'm gonna win this for sure.
Guys,
Okay.
So I'm gonna win.
On your mark. Okay.
You're so loud.
Okay. On your mark.
But listen, guys. I am scared of pepper, but I'm still gonna win. I'm just gonna
Okay.
That's
Mark.
period.
Set. Go.
Wait.
Okay.
It's hot.
You're getting cut off. Come, yeah.
Put it
You guys, you see that?
No. No.
You see that, girl? Okay.
This is unfair, Mom.
Okay.
Mama has the most pepper. Mine has the most pepper. This is unfair.
They're eating straw because I really care.
Come on, son. You can do this. No, she's winning.
First of all, wait.
Wait.
Wait, no. Wait.
Wait. Stop distract me.
Oh my god.
Stop eating. Me win.
Whatever.
No, mine has the most pepper.
Listen, she's the one that do it, okay?
I can't see my tongue. Oh, guys, put Team Shalii in the comments because I'm gonna win.
Not
I'm gonna win. Put Team Mia. Samia. Because I'm gonna win. Wow, I'm just whipping this up like a maker. Seriously.
No, Dennis, I'm out of the most pepper. Guys, see? The horse ready her.
See, look at this.
Ooh, look at that. Come up.
My eyes are burning, man.
I'm not about to
I got this. I got this.
My eyes are burning, bitch. Oh my god, are you talking about me and nut is coming out?
Do not return the milk.
Okay, guys, I'm almost there. Okay.
Oh.
Call 911. She's dying.
Mom.
She lose.
Let's see who's gonna win.
My eyes are burning.
Oh, she won.
But she has to drink that.
I have to give it to you. Yes, drink it.
Guys,
Give me a pepper not burning you.
Nope.
What?
I'm gonna cry, but I'm just gonna eat all of it.
guys, my eyes are literally burning.
Number noise.
My eyes are burning.
I never expected to eat it, Danisha, but I think we didn't go in. Guys,
Why did you
I
get
barely even eat anything.
Mom, drink it all off.
Danisha is the winner.
I won.
No, she didn't win because you gotta drink the
Oh yes, you gotta drink the
I
soup.
still won.
No,
It doesn't
you gotta
matter.
drink the whole
First of all,
You gotta drink the whole entire thing.
Yes, you gotta drink the whole entire thing.
Shut
it.
The whole entire thing.
my lips are burning me, but you know your girl is a champ.
Drink it. Drink.
I already won, so I don't have to drink this.
Guys,
Yeah.
yes, I lost. But that's okay. We're gonna come up with more challenges,
No, we
and I'm gonna
won't.
win. And I'm gonna win. But this is not fair. You guys saw that I put the most pepper in mine. They have a little bit of pepper in theirs.
No, we put a little pepper.
This is not fair. Simia, oh my God, look at Simia, she's dying. Simia's dying over there. But anyways, guys.
No, eat the whole entire thing.
Wait, I'm hot. I'm getting too hot.
Okay.
I'm getting too hot. It's too hot. Where's the hot at? Wait, it's hot.
I'm gonna take 3 more spoons. Hold
It's
on.
hot, guys.
You gotta eat the whole entire thing.
I'm not eating all of this. I'm gonna take 2 more
Wow.
spoons.
She already lost. She's the first one that drank the milk.
Forget that.
Listen, let me tell y'all something, right? She's the one that wanted to do this, right? Because she thought that she got this, but no, sweetheart, no. In 2 seconds, she saw.
Anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning into my video.
I still eat it.
You can eat it after, but I need to end this.
Team me.
Team me, because I put the most pepper in mine. Okay, Team Female, so you can shut up. But guys, thank you so much for tuning into my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends. And meet my crazy family, guys. This is what I be going through. You know. So this is Shalii's life, and Shalii's out. Say bye.
Bye.
Ooh.